another foundation repair tip of the day. So at Dalinghaus Construction, we've decided to come up with a new form of media for you to consume case studies. Now, we all know the typical 8.5 by 11 one-page case study that dictates how a job started, what the problem was, and what the actual solution and outcome was, and then the design team, engineering team, and all that. Well, we still do those, but then we're also creating those into an actual video case study. So stay tuned. We'll continue to update these. We're trying to do it on a monthly basis. If we can get enough time, we'll put in more and try to do it on a weekly basis. And we'll get this content kicked out to you. It's just to help another way of being able to put a visual learning apparatus with our already written page. So look forward to getting those out to you guys, and stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll see you soon.